Chris from Polk City Chiropractic again. Today we have Mr. Henry here, our nephew. He is a little over 4 months old. He has been getting adjusted since he was just a few weeks old. He is in today for a little tune-up, so we're going to do a quick demonstration of a typical infant adjustment in our office. Let me lay you down here, bud. What do you think? You want to hold on to me? Good. So adjusting an infant is very safe and gentle on him. What do you think? That's a big stretch. Yeah. I'm going to start just by checking his hips. I'm going to stretch out a little more. There you go. Good job. Hips will feel pretty good. We'll check his pelvis here. So there's a variety of reasons why we recommend getting your child adjusted at an early age. The birth process itself is very traumatic. It can cause some damages to their spine and nervous system. And if you correct those issues while they're young and still in that very active growing stage and development stage, it can help prevent a lot of issues down the road. We're checking that here, bud. Does that feel silly? Yeah. So a little bit off on the right side. I'll use a little lighter force here. Very good. Good job, bud. Hope you lost a shoe. Oh my goodness. I want to check your mid back here. So there's a variety of symptoms that babies will typically have that respond very well to getting adjusted. Number one could be a sleep disturbance. Can you go on your stomach? Well, there you go, bud. And Henry is doing a lot of tummy time, so he is comfortable laying on his belly. So we'll put him here and adjust this one spot right in his mid-back. For sleep disturbances, such as colic, a lot of times that can be attributed to an issue in their spine. If something is irritating them, making them uncomfortable, the only way they can, what do you think? The only way they can show that is through the fussiness or the crying. So getting adjusted could help with that also. A lot of digestive issues like regurgitation, reflux, constipation, that can definitely be helped by getting adjusted. And also one common condition for children and young babies are ear infections. Quite often that can be caused by an issue in the upper part of the neck. What that does is it irritates through a variety of mechanisms the eustachian tube, which helps normally drain the inner ear. So that fluid becomes stagnant and infected. So getting your child adjusted can help release and empty that inner ear, preventing and again, helping out those ear infections. Best of all, it's done naturally, so you don't have to, you have all the prescriptions and antibiotics in your child's system. So there's a whole variety of reasons to get your child adjusted. If you have any questions or would like more information about our office, or if you want to get your child checked out, give us a call or visit our website. As always, our consultations are always free, and we do accept most major insurances in our office. So thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.